Good morning, students. Today, I will tell you how to download LabVIEW 2026 Q3 version. So first, you just open your browser. In my case, it is Chrome. I just search for LabVIEW, download, click over LabVIEW download. Here is the link www.ni.com. LabVIEW is from National Instruments. Now it becomes Emerson. So here you just see the website, go to support, click over LabVIEW. You just find out different versions over here. You can download any of these version in your system. So I just go with supported OS is Windows, version is 2026 Q3, include base full professional, 64-bit I needed, language English. So click to the login into download. It requires sign up. So in my case, I have my account with me. So I just go with that. Just log in. So it will download a simple file, as you see, download. You can also download offline around 40 GB or more than 40 GB package. You just download if you go with the download offline version. But in the case of this online, 8.6 MB file is there. It will just install NIPM, National Instruments Package Manager, to your system. I Yes. So now double click on the installer. As you see, this is the file I got installing LabVIEW and drivers. So while installing this, in the start, you just check LabVIEW 2026 Q3. Then you just go to the Nizel AI integration. After this, there are some drivers like NI DECMAX, NI 488, NI Visa, PXI platforms. I deselect because I don't have any PXI. So according to your convenience, you just select, and this is the JKI VI package manager. It is used to install third party add-ons. So out of these, I also select this Vision Development Toolbox. So just click next. So these are the additional items you may install, or it is up to you. You just need to install or do not want. I just next. I accept. Next. Next. I just deselect disable Windows fast startup. Next. So these are the packages it will install into my system. So as you see, installing starts. It first install NI package certificates. It will take around 1 hour to 2 hour based on your system performance and the internet connectivity. So as you see, installation completely done. So it is asking me, can I update services? So I click over yes. It will take only few seconds from now. So it is asking me to activate the software. Otherwise, there is a trial version of 7 days. So now, as you see, 7 license selected, extended trial. I click over extended trial. Close this. It is asking me to reboot my system. So I just close this window. Now I just check about the LabVIEW. Click over the windows, search for the LabVIEW. Here is the NI LabVIEW 2026 Q3 64-bit version. As you see in the latest version, Emerson logo is also there. So it will start LabVIEW, begin 7-day trial. So first time it will take some time. So right now NI LabVIEW 2026 Q3 started. File new open, Control T. So this is NI LabVIEW 2026 version, and here are my toolbox like Vision toolbox. This is my functional palette, and here is my control palette. So you can find out different toolbox. You also select this one. As you see, here is my control palette. This is my functional palette. As you see, control and design, connectivity, data communication, all the toolbox are there. If you want to add new toolbox, just go to NIPM, and from there I just show you. Click over NIPM. If you want to install a toolbox or a app from National Instruments, you just go to the NIPM. If you want to add a third party toolbox, then you go to VI Package Manager. Okay, so this is how you can install LabVIEW to your system. So NIPM will take some time. I'm just checking. So as you see, here is the NI Package Manager. Right now, total installed package are 109. There is no update. So if you want to add some another toolbox like I need control and simulation. So you just click over the control and simulation toolbox. As you see, it require 2022 version. latest. So you just click over the install and it will be installed into your system. But it require LabVIEW 2022 because in the 26th version it is not updated till now. So this is how you can install NI packages through NI package manager. Now I just install third party packages. So for that purpose, you just click over VI package manager. It will open VIPM and I want to install Arduino package for my LabVIEW. Let's check. Is there any Arduino package installed into my system? Right click, Express, add-ons. There is no any Arduino package till now. So just this is the VI package manager. These are the third party packages you can install to your LabVIEW. Now I need Arduino package. So just click over here, search for Arduino. As you see, there are four packages. Right now I just go with the Digiland install. It will install these two to my system. Continue. VIPM is going to restart LabVIEW. Just click OK. It is asking me if LabVIEW does not close automatically, please close the LabVIEW. So just close this. VIPM is going to restart LabVIEW. It is connecting to the LabVIEW. I am just making remind me later. It is asking me to install this one. Allow. As you see right now, it is installing. Yes. It will take only 1 to 2 minutes only. Right now it is installing mass compilation, Maker Hub toolbox. Right now total 55 dependencies installed. Right now second package is installing related to Raspberry Pi, Beacon Born and Arduino. Total 581 dependencies are there. So let's check. 165, 383, completed. Finish. As you see, click mark is there because it is installed in my system. Now I just close this one. Go to the LabVIEW. Let's check. Control T. As you see, this is the evaluation version. So the third party toolbox is there. The Maker Hub, Linux. It is related to the Arduino and Raspberry Pi. Okay. So now I just need to activate all my systems. So just close this, go to the LabVIEW folder, LabVIEW VIs. This is the NI license activator. So from here, I just activate all the basic functions. Right click, activate, right click, activate. Close this. Let's check again about the LabVIEW. Right now, it is not asking about the activation or any evaluation version. New VI, as you see, evaluation version gone. So this is how you can install LabVIEW to your system, how you can install NI packages and third-party packages to your system that will run through LabVIEW. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.